This is Jenny from 21 Songs in 6 Days, and I'm teaching you Nearer, My God, to Thee. This is a very famous hymn. There's an apocryphal story that this is what the orchestra played on the Titanic as the ship was sinking. And even if you didn't know the words, you probably recognized the tune. And it was comforting to the people to hear a beautiful hymn. In the movie Titanic, there's a violinist who plays this, and then the quartet plays it too. And years later, when they were doing the excavations, they did find a violin at the bottom of the sea with 2 strings on it still. So clearly, there's something to be said for that legend. The song is not hard. I do it first in the key of C because that works better for my voice and it's easier for me to play. So I have a C chord, an F chord, and a G7, and that's it. For my first verse, I do all down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C. So 4 beats per measure, 4 strums on each chord. In the second verse, to vary it a little bit, I'm going to go down, down, up, down, down, up. And finally, in the third verse, I go ahead and I do a finger picking, and I'm going to do the outer 2 strings. So I go out, out, in, in. So for 4 beats, I'm going to have 8 eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But you can just keep this simple strum if that's something you don't want to do. And then I have a simple chord melody at the end. And for that part of the song, I transposed it to the key of G major. And the 3 chords in G major are a G chord, a C chord, and a D7. And that key might be more comfortable for some people's voices. So if you click on the link, you'll get both versions. You'll get the G major version and the C major version. The other advantage to the G major version, it is the key that they play in the movie Titanic. So if you have anybody that you play with who plays the violin and would want to play it with you, the key of G is much easier on the violin than the key of C. So you have 2 options. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much. Nearer, my God, to Thee, nearer to Thee, e'en though it be a cross that raiseth me, still all my song shall be And if you enjoyed that, please be sure to like this video. You can also visit our blog, ukulele.io, where we give lots of tips on learning to play ukulele. You could purchase one of our 5 books from Amazon, or you could like us on Facebook. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed it.